Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word preference in English. So here we have the script from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and you can see that this word is divided into 3 syllables, and that blue mark top left shows that we stress the first syllable of the word. So pref is the strongest part. And there's a little clue as well that the other 2 syllables are weak, and that's the presence of that tiny schwa, that sound. So let's break it down into the 3 syllables then. Starting with pref, you've got that cluster at the beginning, pr, then a nice short e vowel, and the f, where you need to make the top teeth touch the bottom lip and push out some air. F. So that's pref, pref. Syllable 2 is weaker, and that's basically So we've got a little schwa and then a r, Another little schwa and then uns. So that becomes uns, uns. So putting them all back together then, stressing the first syllable, preference. Repeat after me, preference. And there it is orthographically, preference. Great work. If you found that useful, don't forget to hit like. You could subscribe to the channel, leave a comment or share this with your friends. And if you check out the homepage, you'll find lots of other exercises to help you with your pronunciation. Great work today. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.